Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY to day 21 of the 25-day advent calendar from the Brew Company. Okay, so day 21 at Zimbabwe today. This is an intensity 3 out of 5 medium roast with a taste notes of berries and nuts. So Zimbabwe is in Africa. Is Zimbabwe? Is it? Is it in Africa? It's not on the little map here. Is there a map on one side? No. So Zimbabwe, anyway. Taste notes, berries and nuts. Esteemed Jersey estate in Zimbabwe, nestled beside Mount Selinda. This coffee tells a story that began in 1955. It's medium, 3 out of 5 intensity, fruity. I might not like it, but they've been alright. Yesterday's was nice, the Bolivia coffee was lovely. So let's give this one a go. We'll grind it, we'll brew it and give it a taste. Second, recording. Okay, day 21, Zimbabwe. Let's give this a taste. Okay, getting the fruitiness up front again. It has got the berries. It's got a smell. It's got like a nutty smell. I noticed that when I was pouring in here. Quite a nutty smell. It definitely tastes the berries up front. It kind of goes away, and there's almost like a little nuttiness to it. Not too strong. It's nice. Very similar again to really those last couple with the El Salvador and Bolivia. Quite fruity, nice, easy to drink. Not too strong, but got a lot of taste. Not just like really intense. So probably again top 10, drops into the top 10, but not near that top 3. I think Bolivia we said would be top 8. That could be very, very similar. Zimbabwe, maybe even top 7. In fact, it's nicer than the Bolivia, that one is. It's quite a nice coffee, that. So yeah, that's day 21, Zimbabwe done. You can get that coffee, the Zimbabwe coffee on its own, or as part of the advent calendar from the Brew Company. You can use the links below in the description to get a discount from the Brew Company. So if you head over there and use the link and the discount code, that'll get you 10% off any order. So yeah, use them if you need some coffee. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions about the coffee press or the grinder, let me know. Again, the coffee press and the grinder are from Amazon. Really, really good, working really well. And this is still looking great after a lot of uses, so that's good. If you want to follow the next, we've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 more left, 4 more coffees left. So if you want to follow that journey along for 4 more coffees and the other Huson DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.